Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, yes, it's 21st of March and the time is almost 9:10 now. So let's see how the pre-open market has opened. So coming to the pre-open market page, here you can see the Nifty is opening at 17,329, that is 0.25% up. Advanced stocks are 38, declines are only 10, and unchanged is 2 stocks. And now let's see the stocks which is opening in the most gap up section, that is Power Grid with 2.10% up and Maruti with 1.96% up. And coming to the stocks which is opening in the most gap down section, that is Reliance with 1.52% down and BPCL with 1.15% down. So yes, these are the pre-open market as open today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you the live trade what I do today, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my courses now. In my course I'll be teaching you the strategies which will work in all the market conditions. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also, I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also, I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Right, Tata Steel in the market level. So let's see how the stock will perform. We'll just buy it now in the market level around 1321. We just bought it. So let's see how the stock will perform. So I guess yes, we have just bought it now and the movement is a bit quicker here. So 1323 as of now. So let's see how the stock will perform. So we're planning to exit around 6 to 7 points of profit in Tata Steel. So you can see the market is also recovering. So 0.08% down as of now, trading at 17,270 levels. So let's see how the market will perform. So if the market goes up, the stock will eventually go up very easily. You know, it's a big price stock, so whenever you pick like this on big price stock, you can see the movement being very quick here. So let's see, let's wait for it. So I think there is some resistance somewhere near 1324 or somewhere around there. So the stock is still coming down here, so touching back 1322. So let's see, you might have to wait for it, but you can see if the market recovers, this stock has a good potential to go up very quick. So just waiting for it, guys. So let's see how the stock will perform. So it's still range bounded near 1323 as of now. So it can come down a bit and it can go up again because there is a resistance over there. So that's why it will take some time is what I'm guessing. So let's see. So guys, yes, now the stock is up, so it's trading in 1325 levels. So yes, it did touch 1320 again, and it did come up from there. So again, it's back to 1327. So there's a good movement here now, and you can see at the top left the market is plus 0.919% up now. So the market was minus 0.08%, and now it's up 0.18%. So that's why the stock is having a good potential to go up now. So yes, we almost touched our target now, so we'll just take my exit and I'll update you guys about my exit. Okay, so I'll just exit now. Yes, as you guys can see, the stock is almost 10 points up. It went very quickly here, and I took my exit at around 1327 or somewhere around there by booking almost 6 points of target. So this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Tata Steel. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us now. And also, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us now. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading, so you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.